Oh, they put some in your drink, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, AmpFest is coming up, the biggest conservative event of the entire year. Far bigger than CPAC and all these other places. AmpFest is where all the conservatives go. Incredible speakers. Tucker Carlson is going to be there. Candace, Charlie, myself included. Everybody's going to be at AmpFest. If this is your first time hearing about AmpFest, I don't know what rock you've been sleeping under, but you can get your tickets 30% off if you put in discount code Tatum. So go to ampfest.com. The link will be in the description section. Put in discount code Tatum. Get 30% off your tickets. And if you want to see me and others in VIP, you'll get 15% off using that same code. Put in discount code Tatum, and I want to see your doggone butt at AmpFest in Arizona this year. Like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notification anytime I go live, make a video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Y'all already know what to do. Let's get into this. Ladies and gentlemen and ladies, what are people thinking? I live by this mantra and this principle that they're not who you think they are. Now, this woman should be ashamed of herself, and she should repent instead of trying to blame the police. This woman, who is she's a lawmaker out of Georgia, a state legislator. She was ousted, not because she was being black or living while black or at the bar while black. It's because she was passed out drunk, and she did the craziest I ever seen in my life. I ain't never seen nobody scream like this. And I've been to the hospital 2 times. I got 2 kids, and neither one of those were crazy, but the woman down the hallway screamed her lungs out. I thought I saw a lung jump out and run down the street. But I ain't never heard them scream like this lady. Now, anyway, let's show what happened here. I got some of the information here. Her name is Felicia Franklin. Felicia Franklin is trying to sue the Clayton County because she claimed she was drugged before this incident. But her being drugged is the reason why she acted the way she did. But anyway, it doesn't matter. She was ousted by her colleagues, unanimously voted to get her out. And when you see this video, you're going to see exactly why they voted her out. And what police said is counter to what she's claiming about being drugged. Now, before I play this clip, I want you to make sure you adjust your audio, because my voice can only go at a certain octave. She's on another level. She will bust the speakers on your computer or your headphones or your TV or wherever you listen and say, she'll bust your speakers. So adjust your speakers appropriately before I play this clip. This woman has lost her God-given mind. Too much Hennessy. And don't say it ain't because she black. She literally was drinking Hennessy and Grand Marnier. Roll the clip.
You need to stop.
Felicia.
You're going to make it worse than what it needs to be.
Felicia.
I ain't trying to make fun of somebody's mama. God dang, woman. Hold on, I got to watch that again. I think her eyeballs almost came out.
You need to stop.
Have y'all ever heard somebody scream like that? I have heard, I'd never forget when my first son was born, the lady down the hallway sent shockwaves through the hospital. I guess she didn't take an epidural or something. And she was screaming bloody murder. And she still didn't beat this woman right here. This woman is on another level. Roll the clip.
Felicia.
You're going to make it worse than what it needs to be.
Felicia.
Felicia.
Get him out my face. I don't give a Get him out my face. You better.
So this is how they found her, though. That was a image of her in the ambulance after they found her and tried to put her in there, and she became belligerent. But they found her, soiled her pants. Look, she's like sitting in pee. She probably peed herself. They found her passed out outside of this bar. Ain't nobody took her home. Nobody tried to touch her. They reviewed all the surveillance footage. There's no evidence anybody put anything in her drink. They reviewed all the footage. She drank 4 drinks of that Hennessy and Grand Marnier or whatever it's called, and she drank a little bit of beer. They reviewed all the footage. It is no indication. Now, I'm not saying that it's not true. They have found no indication that she was date rape drugged. And and clearly nobody tried to date rape because she's sitting out there by herself, passed out in urine. Roll the clip. She's assaulting people on the truck.
As long as nothing
Okay, I'm
is...
right here. I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere. What happened? She's spitting up. She's throwing up.
Hey, don't leave me.
I'm not leaving you. I'm not going anywhere.
You but
No, she's not. He's not making it worse. He's
Let
trying.
him
We're all
make it-
trying to help, baby.
No, you're not.
Felicia.
No, you're not.
Honey, you
No,
fell
you're
down.
not.
You fell down. We want to make sure that
No,
you're
you're
okay.
not. No, you're not. No, you're not.
We gotta make sure you're okay.
No, you're
Screaming, the wind seems to go out of Felicia's sails, at least for now. Perhaps exhaustion is catching up to her. Even on the verge of sleep, however, she still manages to behave defiantly.
It's not very nice.
You better get him out my face! Out my face, you did not. My face! You call my father, you call anybody, but get him out.
All right, so that was hard to watch. So apparently when she got to the hospital, she got worse. And so obviously after her shenanigans and behavior, she was ousted. Now, I'll say this, man. When I was a cop, this doesn't, to me, I'm just being honest with you guys. The cops said they see no evidence of it. To me, this is not just alcohol. Now, her urine test, because she refused to do blood, her urine test yielded that she had cannabis in her system as well. So maybe the combination of her smoking weed or maybe something in the weed plus the alcohol got her acting like this. But normally when people drink alcohol, they don't go this hard, but it does happen. She's claiming she got date raped. That doesn't seem like the drug will do you like that. Now, I've never been date raped, and I don't know what it do to you. I ain't never really seen nobody with a date rape drug in them. But I will tell you this, I don't think it make you act like this. And for all intents and purposes, this woman is trying to sue them because she claims she was date raped. She was given a drug, and I don't know who she's trying to sue for wrongful termination. But listen, first of all, you shouldn't have been at the bar by yourself doing what you were doing. You drank 4 drinks, and you can't handle all that Hennessy because you ain't built like that. And you pass out, your actions are unbecoming. Even if you were drugged, listen, you had no business. You're a grown woman. You're not a teenager. You're not in college. You're not in high school. You're a grown woman. You should know better than to be going to places where you could potentially get drugged, where you might get drugged, and who you going with that you can get drugged and you didn't go with somebody that can protect you. You a grown woman and you got a lot to lose. Like, I wouldn't do it. Even me, like, if I go somewhere, I'm going to go with somebody I trust. I'm not going to go somewhere by myself unless I trust the situation. And I pay attention to my drinks. I'm watching the guy make my drink. And because I have stuff to lose. I can't be getting messed up and drugged up and drunk and being on camera like this. A lot of people are looking up to me. The problem is these politicians don't give a flying flip. They don't really care about y'all, man. They out doing their own thing. They out living their own life. They out getting drunk and partying and doing all the crazy stuff that a person like her can do in her position. They leading y'all to believe that they politicians looking out for you. They ain't doing their job. They up there getting drunk and drinking Hennessy and passing out and peeing their pants. Just like your girl Lauren Bubber. She's up there vaping and acting a fool at the movie theater, then lied about it. These people is ignorant to me. Anyway, I said enough, but she's trying to sue, and I don't think she's going to get anywhere because by the looks of it, there's body-worn camera, there's witness testimony and toxicology results that yielded that there's no date rape drug in her system and nothing else was afoot. Anyway, comment, let me know, do you think she was date raped or do you think she was just drunk off her rear end? I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.